Goedemorgen. Goedemorgen. Oh, we're gonna ride a big tandem. With a tandem.
Hij is in vlammen.
Hij is in de vlam. Vlam, de vlam, de vlam. Dit is een lelijke ding, man. Dit is lelijk. Wat voor een trap. Die martelpijn. Ja, ja, we hebben de tandemite. We hebben de tandemite. Yes. Oh, god, ik kan dit draaien. Oh, it's hard work, this tandemite. Very hard. Give me more power from the back, please. More power. Ik denk dat het power is, Lovey. I don't know where Michael is. Check how we're tapping out Black Hill, babe. Tapping, man. We're tap, tap, tap. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. We're shooting up the hills. We're shooting up the hills. Look at him down there.
Oh, wait a minute. There's the driver.
Ja, mooi mens. Got hectic, eh? Look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at him, tap, 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 tap. Eén pijn en leiding. Dit heb ik hier leiding en pijn. Lekker. There we go. What is this? What is this thing? Downhill, people, downhill. Okay, I have to put the camera away because it's dangerous. Look at him, look at him, look at him all confident and everything. Look at him, look at him. Yes, it is. Look at how beautiful that is. That's some wonderful stuff. Oh, there's a horsey club down there also. Oh, the engine's working very hard. So I'm sitting here thinking about a nice ice cold beer or something. Work, engine room, work!